PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Plug Power stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of that in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space who's done 43,000 videos over 5 years and actually documented them all. I'm not even just saying it just to say it. It's on my YouTube channel. No one else has come even close. Like last 3 predictions, there was a loss and then 2 W's. For the fourth one, you know, kind of the most recent idea is that I must see a shift, like a double break candle close in order for me to take things higher. And also key part here is that if no rules are met, then I'm not buying. Like, people are really gonna overcomplicate this sort of stuff, but bro, I'm just waiting for rules to be met, right? Like, and if they're not, well, so be it. You know, not every single movement is gonna be tradable. You know what I mean? There's a lot of receipts in the Discord. If you want to stay tuned with Plug Power, want to get my free emails and insights, money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free. Regarding this, I'll keep you updated. Goodbye.